Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back! I hope you're all doing well and ready for some important news. Today, we've got a major legal update coming out of Texas that you definitely need to hear about. This one could have significant implications for immigration policy and enforcement. A federal judge has blocked the Trump administration from using the Alien Enemies Act to deport Venezuelans. This decision is making waves across the legal and immigrant communities. This is a pretty big deal, so let's break down what happened. There are a lot of layers to this story, and it's important to understand the context and the potential consequences. So, Judge Fernandez Rodriguez, who was actually appointed by Trump, made this significant ruling. It's always interesting when a judge appointed by a particular administration makes a ruling that goes against that administration's policies. He permanently blocked the administration from using the Alien Enemies Act, or AEA, to deport Venezuelans in the Southern District of Texas. This means that, at least in this jurisdiction, the administration can't use this specific law to carry out deportations. Now, this is the very first time a judge has ruled that Trump's use of the AEA was unlawful. This sets a precedent that could influence other cases and decisions in the future. Judge Rodriguez stated that Trump's invocation of the AEA exceeds the scope of the law. He emphasized that the law has specific requirements that were not met in this case. Essentially, the judge ruled that the president can't just declare an invasion or predatory incursion and then use the AEA to deport people. It's not that simple. The law requires clear evidence of an organized armed attack, which was not present in this situation. One of the key points in this case was the administration's claim about the Venezuelan gang, Tren de Aragua. They argued that this gang was invading the U.S. and posed a significant threat. They argued that this gang was invading the U.S. However, the evidence presented did not support this claim to the judge's satisfaction, but the judge wasn't buying it. He found that there wasn't enough evidence of an organized armed attack as required by the AEA. This was a crucial point in his decision. He found that there wasn't enough evidence of an organized armed attack as required by the AEA. This lack of evidence was a significant factor in the ruling. This ruling doesn't stop deportations altogether though. It just means that the administration can't use the AEA as a blanket justification for deporting Venezuelans. It just ensures that detainees must be given due process to challenge their removal. This is a fundamental principle of the legal system, ensuring that everyone has a fair chance to present their case. This means they have the right to a fair hearing before being deported. It's a safeguard to prevent arbitrary or unjust deportations. It's also worth noting that this doesn't affect deportations under the Immigration and Nationality Act. The administration can still use other legal avenues to carry out deportations. And here's another interesting point. ICE admitted that many of the men deported on March 15th didn't have criminal records in the U.S. This raises questions about the criteria being used for deportations. They argued that this lack of information was actually a risk, but the judge's ruling suggests otherwise. The judge emphasized the importance of evidence and due process. So, what do you think about this ruling? Do you agree with the judge's decision, or do you think the administration's concerns were valid? Is it a win for due process, or do you think it complicates immigration enforcement? This is a complex issue with strong arguments on both sides. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really interested to hear what you all think about this. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and ring that bell so you never miss a new video. We cover a wide range of topics, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and stay informed.